Today we're going to talk about stress. Stress kind of has a way of taking over our lives, I think, and we've gotten to the point where we just kind of accept it as a way of life and we live with it, right? It's just how it is. And what are you going to do about it? You know, we've got deadlines, we've got family responsibilities, we've got bills. Stress not only makes us feel bad, it makes us anxious and irritable, impatient. It also contributes, though, to high blood pressure, heart disease, poor memory, even high cholesterol, which I didn't know. So here's some good news. Your body actually has a built-in stress reliever. It's called oxytocin, and it's my favorite thing to talk about. With the horse ranch and all of the therapy that we did with the horses, I just watched people spend time with these large animals, get a big dose of oxytocin, and feel better. I know it was my fix. Anyway, sometimes oxytocin is also known as the love hormone. Probably you've heard of that. And when you learn how to boost it, you can lower your stress, you feel better, you even start healing your body without all those expensive programs I talk about. So hey, I'm Kathy Sanfilippo. I'm a licensed clinical trauma therapist. I've been helping people for the last 30 years to live happier, healthier lives. In another video, we talked about cortisol. That's the stress hormone that kind of keeps you in survival mode, keeps you hanging on to extra weight. We talked about that. Today, we're kind of going to flip the script and we're going to talk about oxytocin, the hormone that helps you reset, connect, and breathe again. Here's the best part. God hardwired it into our system on purpose. You don't have to buy it, you don't have to earn it, you just learn how to activate it. So what exactly is oxytocin? It's your body's natural connection hormone. So you see it show up when a mom's holding her baby, when you hug someone you love, or high five someone you don't want to hug.
High five. Gotcha.
When you laugh with a friend, even when you pet your dog or your cat. Every time your oxytocin rises, your cortisol drops. It's your body's way of saying, you're safe, you can calm down now, everything's good. So think of oxytocin as God's built-in antidote to stress. Why it matters for your health? When your oxytocin is flowing, your whole body benefits, right? Your stress, your anxiety go down, your heart rate and your blood pressure settle down, your immune system works better, cravings, emotional eating calm down, and you bounce back from stress more quickly, right? So if cortisol is the hormone that keeps you stuck in survival, then oxytocin is the one that helps you heal. Genesis 2:18 says, it's not good for man or woman to be alone. And in Hebrews 10, it reminds us to encourage one another and to keep meeting together frequently. God created us for connection, like real connection, not social media, but to be with friends and loved ones and pets. Because quite literally, it heals our body and our mind, and it keeps us whole and healthy. So every time you pray with a friend, you laugh with somebody, you hug your kid, you kiss your pet on their wet little nose, you're living out God's design that He had for you. And your body responds with peace and calm and good health. So how do you boost oxytocin? Here's some really simple ways you can increase your oxytocin naturally. First thing is physical touch. I mentioned that, hugs, holding hands, even a simple pat on the shoulder. My favorite, getting a massage. You can also find oxytocin boosts in prayer, worship, reading scripture with others. Acts of kindness. This is a really good one. When you serve someone else, you give them a gift, it boosts oxytocin in you and in them. Pets and nature. So spending time really just connecting, petting, loving, playing with your dog, your cat, your horse, your hedgehog. The last one on here is laughter. When you watch a funny show, when you find someone who's actually funny, or you tell a joke, if you're funny, just be around people that make you smile. Most of those don't cost anything. They're really fun, and they help make a big difference to reset your body and your mind to de-stress. So take time to do those little things that sometimes we're just too busy to spend time for. So I hope this can be an encouragement to you. Oxytocin is proof that God did not design us to just survive stress, to just stick it out. He designed us to thrive in connection and relationship and having fun with life. So go hug someone you know, call a friend and have a nice talk, go play with your dog, take a walk, and spend time with someone you enjoy. Those are very simple ideas, but their impact on your life is huge. It's scientifically healing your body. I hope this helped you. Hit like, subscribe, share it with someone who might need a hug.